So Airbnb dropping. AMD, I'm going to put a 101 high a day and a 94 low a day. Gilead, nothing. Starbucks, nothing. AMD beats, a double beat.
Came out? Oh, yeah, double beat. Just came out
Double
now.
beat on AMD. I'm
But
gonna
selling?
switch AMD over to this and Airbnb over here, but I don't really like the Airbnb right now. So
All right,
double beat.
yeah, something's going on. It's double beat, but it's like tanking.
Look at that 95. 20. Look at that boy. And another one at 94. Interesting. Wow. 93.
Holy.
Yeah.
I lost $10 on one share on that one.
93 and 94. PayPal on lows. Here's 94 on Airbnb. Or on AMD. I'm gonna wait a second here. I wanna see. PayPal, nothing really. Double beat.
Yeah, Nvidia is following suit with AMD.
I'm just gonna watch the tape here. So it looks like a very mixed tape. 90 sold there. Ninety
PayPal is
sold
under.
again. 90 lifts. 95 sells, and 90 back onto the offer there. I'm selling this Airbnb short there. Got 26 cents. I need to be out here if 95 lifts. That 90 selling, 75 stepping down, selling, 75 selling, stepping down to 70, stepping down further, 50 selling, down to the 30s, not going down with the speed that I was hoping. Let's see here, 30.
Starbucks released.
Okay, I'm gonna focus on this AMD for now.
Yep. Let's see.
And we're getting caught up here in the 30s, and I'm thinking about cutting this. This is not dropping. I'm gonna cut this short there and get out. Oh wow. And now 59 selling here. And 50, I'm getting back into the short there. Got 31-cent average, and we're starting to go. There we go. I'm gonna try to cover a little piece there. Did not get it. Pops back above. Can we drop back down to the 93s? At this point, don't want to see a bid above 50 cents here. That 50 cents sold. Let's see if we can get back down to the 93s. There's the 93s. And no, not really. There we go. Can we drop down through those 93s a little bit more? I'm gonna just start taking a little bit of profit here. Got half off right there. Let's see if we can drop further. Not really breaking down through that 50-cent area. Gonna set a limit order down there in case we very quickly swoop down. But no, we're not breaking down through that 50. Did break down through there. Did get filled for another one down to a quarter of my position here. Let's see if we really fall apart. Now 40 cents, 50 cents selling, 30 cents is selling. Are they going to step down? They are. Let's see if we can get something below $93. Can they drop down to the 92s? 30 cents is still selling. If that 30 cents lifts, I'm out. I'm out. Flat AMD. Okay, not bad. Not bad. Um, let's see here. Let's see here. Yeah, about a point on that one.
Nice.
So not bad. I was hoping for a bigger dropout, but the tape just wasn't having it there. Now that I'm flat, let's go take a look at some of the other. And now she's gonna come in. I'm gonna set another alert, but I think the trade is done for me on AMD. You said Starbucks is going?
Was during that time.
Oh,
It's
this
very
is,
choppy.
yeah, look at the lack of volume here on Starbucks, nothing.
What's interesting, it's technically up on miss.
It's
Two
up on a
misses
miss, and AMD's down on a double
on a
beat.
beat.
Yep,
Yep.
yep.
PayPal hasn't released yet.
But the tape tells the truth. Um,
Mm-hmm.
the tape tells the truth. And there she is back above 95. So actually, that was quite a nice cover there, just watching that tape. Okay, so let's take a look at some of the other ones. We've got Airbnb, which I didn't want to participate in, and I don't regret that decision. We've got,
Yeah, there is actually Chinese news on it too. Airbnb, all mainland Chinese listing taken down in July based on decision to exit domestic China businesses.
you'd
And
think
that
that would
looks like
have
that
a more
affected.
negative effect. I wonder, but yeah, they don't. And look at this AMD popping back up to 95. This never went to revisit the low. There might be
Oh
a trade
man,
to the long side here.
damn it! I should have stayed then.
This 95 sold last time I was here, I believe. This 95 sold a lot. Now I'm curious if
Yeah,
there's an opportunity here on the long side. Let's see if they clear out these 95s. I don't see the buying power yet coming through. 95 selling everything. 95 lifts, goes up to 50, 58 sells, lifts, comes back, goes to 85, comes back to 50. No, the seller is still there. The seller is not gone. It would have been above 96 by now. That 50 came back twice. They lifted. I would not be surprised if 95 reappears on the offer here, because that is not indicative of the seller being gone. Now 22 is selling, and quite a lot of selling in the 20s and 30s there, and we're almost back down to 95 offer. There's 38 selling, there's hitting the bid, and now we're back down to 95 on the bid. That seller is still in there. They just lifted it to run everyone and sell at better prices. If 90, here's 95.05 on the offer. Very interesting tape in AMD. Now 30-cent selling, 95 never reclaimed the offer there. So buyers are still pushing, but this seller at 30 cents is still holding it, and they just slam the bids very, very hard and reclaim the 95 offer. And there's that seller again. So that seller is just playing games right now. Not aggressive enough to just slam it, but also willing to keep laying into it and lifting and laying back into it. But actually, let me set a marker there, because up there, you could tell that it wasn't a true breakout up there, because when he got up here, he lifted, but he kept coming back to 50 cents multiple times on the tape. And you could see that buying wasn't being successful.